Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 10 Pro 5G with a cracked back cover and a cracked display. So let's go fix it. First thing we're gonna see is the smartphone is slightly bent. There's a display cover, but display cover didn't do anything to prevent the damage. So we're gonna remove the back cover on this one. We can see that the back cover is made up of glass. That's why it's showing some cracks here. Very dramatic cracks, but we'll still reuse that later on. So this OnePlus 10 Pro will have a new display and a cracked back cover. But the cracked back cover though, you can just resolve it by putting a phone case or skin. So that's not going to be an issue with the performance or whatever. We're going to remove the connector for the daughter board. We will see the display connector is found here on the corner. So next thing we're going to do is we pull out our replacement display and attach it to this connector. So we have already isolated the parts so that when we turn this on, we'll see the OnePlus logo. Now, OnePlus used to be very big in the budget smartphone space, but they have fallen out of favor, eventually raising their prices and leaving some Android enthusiasts behind. And this is OnePlus 10, pretty capable smartphone, but definitely consumer grade. I'm going to remove this display, put it to the side, and slice through the bottom part of the front display. We can now free it. The connector on the other side back end of the device is already free, so we can just slice it through it. Take our time. I'm gonna hold on to the gaps that we have already made, prevent it from going in and sticking it back to the housing. You can see there the connector is pretty short, so we'll take our time. Just the final side may take a while, may not, we'll see. Still very strong, very strong adhesive. Tear them apart, they will eventually give out, and a few moments later, there you go. Finally, it's separated. I'm gonna clean off the housing, remove the remnants of the old adhesive, clean off some shards of glass that may have been left behind. This is the adhesive. You can just pull it out. Slice through the... No, it scraped through the old adhesive and form back the display. I'm gonna clean it out. There's a fingerprint scanner underneath the display there. We're gonna put on our own liquid adhesive on the side so that we can install it. Install the replacement display seamlessly. So if you don't have the adhesive, then you're out of luck. You just can't install the new display. The new display is also curved, so we need this adhesive or some replacement display with pre-applied adhesive strips. Just gonna align it and press it in. Make sure there's no gaps. The connector should be through the housing and connected to the connector to the main board. Daughter board is reinstalled, antenna cables reconnected, and we're just gonna cover it up, and we're almost done. If you have a OnePlus 10 Pro that needs a new display, you need a new battery for your OnePlus 10 Pro, maybe David can help you here. You can just message him through Facebook, Instagram, or leave a comment down below. If you're around Sydney, you can just visit him in office hours. He can diagnose your smartphone for free. If he has the parts lying around, you can fix it right away. You also get rebates if you pay in cash. So I hope you find this video useful, guys. I hope you like and subscribe because we release new videos. We are a small shop here in Sydney CBD, Australia. So if you're interested in smartphone repair, supporting local businesses, like and subscribe, leave a comment. So that's it. This is gonna be a fixed one. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.